Hey guys, this is Subhashish Mishra. Today we will learn another Python program. We will see how to write a Python program and find HCF or GCD of two numbers. I assume you guys have been already knowing what is HCF or what is GCD and how to find it mathematically for two numbers. If you don't know, I will just explain you. So, first of all, what is HCF? HCF stands for highest common factor or GCD stands for greatest common divisor. So, the HCF or GCD of two number is the largest positive integer that perfectly divides the two given numbers. So, if I will show you with an example, so let us say we have two numbers 8 and we have another number, let us say 6 and 8 we have two numbers. So, if you want to find HCF or GCD of these two numbers, how you will find it? First you need to find the prime factors, right. So, prime factor of these numbers. So, what are the prime factors? So, 2 into 2 into 2, I can say 2 into 3, 2 into 3, okay. Then how this 8 is formed? 2 into 2 into 2, yeah, this is fine, right. Okay. So, what is the common one here? The common one is 2, right. So, that is why the GCD or HCF is 2 here, okay. Similarly, if you need to find for example 10 and 12, how you will find it? So, how 10 is formed? 2 into 5, because these are the prime factors, right. So, in this case what we are taking? 2 into 3 into 2, because 2 into 3 6 into 2 12, okay, fine. So, what is the again common factor here? 2, right. So, the HCF here is 2. Similarly, if you need to find 20 and 28, okay. So, how will find it? For 20 you can do again 2 into 3, we cannot do, 2 into 5 we can do, right. 2 into 5 10 into 2. For 28 what you can do? 2 into 2 4 into 7, okay. So, let me just do one thing, let me do 2 into 2 into 5. So, in this way it will be easy to understand. So, you can see what are the common things here? These two things, right, 2 into 2. Here also you can see 2 into 2. So, what is the greatest common divisor here? 2 into 2, which is 4. So, here the result is 4, but here the result is 2, and here result is 2. So, I hope now you understand how to find HCF or GCD of two numbers logically, right. So, what basically we did here? So, first of all we tried to find the prime factor of these numbers individually. So, individually we found the prime factors, then we listed them and then we found what are the common in between these two numbers and then we just multiplied it. That is how you can find the HCF or GCD of two numbers through mathematics, right. So, for now let me just comment it out. So, when we will write our program, we will try to execute for these numbers and we will see if it is working fine or not, right, our program is working fine or not. So, for our program what we will do? We will take two numbers. So, x, let's take x and y. So, x we will take here 6 and y we will take 8, same number whatever I was showing you here, right. So, the very first condition what we will do, let me add space, okay. So, the very first condition what we will do? We will try to find the smallest one, okay. So, how you will do that? So, you will just write a simple if else condition. If x is greater than y, then we will say smaller is equal to y, right, else smaller is equal to x. So, basically here we try to find out which one is the smaller number, right. Either x is small or y is small. So, we just put a condition. Okay. So, now we got to know which one is the smaller one. Then we will just write a simple for loop. For I in range, it will start from 1 and we will loop it till smaller plus 1. Okay. Then what we will say? We will write again one more condition. I will explain you all these things, do not worry. Like all other programs how I do explain, here also I will explain. Here we will write if x mod of I is equal to 0 and y mod of I is equal to 0. Let me put it inside a bracket. Okay. Fine. If this happens, then what we will say? HCF is equal to I. Okay. Then we will come out of the loop and here we will try to print HCF of two numbers is, here we will put HCF. Okay, that is all. Let us see, let us execute, then I will explain you. Okay. So, here we are getting HCF of two number is 2. Similarly, if I will put 10 and 12, here also I am getting 2, here I was telling you, right. If I am putting 20 and 28, we should get result as 4, we are getting result as 4. Okay. Now, let me put it 6 and 8 and I will explain you with this only. Let me execute. Okay. We are getting result as 2. So, let me explain you how we got this HCF as 2, right. So, we have taken two numbers, basically we have taken two variables x and y and we have assigned some value. For x we have taken the value as 6 and for y we have taken the value as 8. So, the very first thing we have put one condition. Why we have put this condition? Because we want to know which one is the smaller one, because that smaller one we will use in this for loop. Okay. So, how to find the smaller one in these two numbers? We will put a if condition, if else condition. If x is greater than y, so what is the x value? X value is 6 and what is the y value? Y value is 8. 6 is greater than 8? No, right. So, condition is not matching. So, it will not go inside here, it will come here, smaller equal to x. So, smaller is equal to 6. So, what is the smaller value now? Smaller value now is 6. Okay. Let me put it here, the smaller value is 6. Okay. Now, the loop will come here, right. For I in range 1, then smaller plus 1. So, what is the range? So, the range become, okay, a range will be like 1 to smaller value is 6. So, 6 plus 1 equal to 7. So, range is 1 to 7. What that means? That means the loop will get executed for 1, then 2, 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. So, for all this value, I value, it will get executed, right. So, now what is the I value? I value is 1 now. Okay. I value is 1 now. It is coming inside. If x, what is the x value? X value is 6. 6 mod of I. So, mod of I means, you know, when we are dividing 1 with 6 and we are trying to find what is the remainder, right. So, if remainder equal to 0 and same thing y value is 8, 8 mod of I, if the remainder is 0, not the divided value, right, it is the remainder, mod means remainder, right. So, if 6 of mod of 1 is equal to 0, yes, this condition is matching, and 8 mod of 1 is equal to 0, yes, the condition is matching. So, HCF value is equal to I, means 1. So, what is the HCF value here? let me put it here, HCF value is 1 now. Okay. Then again this loop will go up, okay, it will go up. Then what is the I value now? Now I value is 2 because 1 is already executed, right. Now I value is 2, it will come here. If x mod of 2, what is the x value? 6. 6 mod of 2 is equal to 0, yes, that is correct, right. And y mod of I, what is the y value? Y value is 8. 8 mod of 2 is equal to 0, yes, that is also correct. So again it will come here, and what is the value? Now HCF value or HCF equal to I, means we will assign I value to HCF. So I value was 2, so we assigned 2. Okay. So now the I value became 2. Again the loop will go here, and what is the I value now? I value will be 3 because 1 and 2 it's already done. Now I value is 3. If x mod of 3, x value is 6, 6 mod of 3 is equal to 0, yes, that is also correct. And y value is 8, 8 mod of 3 is equal to 0, no, because 8 mod of 2 is not equal to 0. So this condition basically is not matching, so it will not go inside. Okay, basically this statement will not execute. Again it will go up here, right. Now the value will be 4. So x mod of 4, x value is 6, 6 mod of 4 is equal to 0, no, and 8 mod of 4 is equal to 0, yes, this condition is matching, but this condition is not matching. So again it will not go inside. Now again it will go up. Now for 1, 2, 3, 4 already executed. Now I value is 5. So 6 divided by 5 is equal to 0, no. So again one condition failed, means not required, here also not required. If it pass also no value, right, it will not go inside. Again it will go up. Now value is 6, 6 mod of 6 is equal to 0, yes, and 8 mod of 6 is equal to 0, no. Okay, so the condition is not matching, so it will not go inside. So basically this loop got ended. So everything for all these values it got executed. So basically this loop is done now, for loop is finished now. So where it will come? It will come here. So now it will print this statement, HCF of 2 number is HCF. What is the last HCF value? See, the value is 2, that is why it printed here 2. Similarly, if you just want to see how it is becoming 4, you can do the same analysis, put the number x as 20, y as 28 and do the same analysis, you will find it. Okay. So, if you do not want to put the numbers like this, if you do not want to put directly assign the values, what you can do? You can do the user input. So, you can write int and here you can write input, enter first number. Okay. Similarly, here also you can write input second number. Okay, let me execute. So, for example, the first number is 20, second number is 32. See, HCF of 2 number is 4. Okay. So, this is how you can find HCF or GCD of 2 numbers. Okay. I hope this program, this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, please press the like button, share it with your friends, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and do not forget to watch all other Python programs. I have created a separate Python playlist. Please go and watch all those programs. This is very helpful for your interview. Okay. So, that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.